Criminal justice is the system that societies use to maintain order, enforce laws, and deliver justice. It involves a series of agencies and processes established by governments to control crime and impose penalties on those who violate laws. The system is designed to protect the innocent, punish offenders, and prevent future crimes. Understanding criminal justice helps us see how laws are applied and how society strives to balance safety with fairness. In this video, we'll explore the main components of the criminal justice system and how they work together to uphold justice. Criminal justice system is made up of three main components: law enforcement, the courts, and corrections. Each plays a unique role in the process. Law enforcement investigates crimes and makes arrests. The courts determine guilt or innocence and ensure fair trials. Corrections manage the punishment and rehabilitation of offenders. Together, these components form a network that works to maintain order and deliver justice. Understanding each part helps us appreciate the complexity and importance of the system. Law enforcement agencies are often the first contact people have with the criminal justice system. Police officers, detectives, and other officials investigate crimes, gather evidence, and arrest suspects. Their work is crucial in keeping communities safe and ensuring that those who break the law are held accountable. Law enforcement also plays a role in crime prevention through community outreach and education. Their actions set the stage for the rest of the criminal justice process. Once a suspect is arrested, the courts take over. Judges, prosecutors, and defense attorneys work together to ensure that justice is served. The court process includes arraignments, hearings, trials, and sentencing. Courts are responsible for protecting the rights of the accused and making sure that trials are fair and impartial. They interpret the law and determine guilt or innocence based on evidence presented. The courts are a vital part of ensuring justice and upholding the rule of law. Corrections is the final component of the criminal justice system. This includes prisons, jails, probation, and parole. The goal of corrections is not just to punish offenders, but also to rehabilitate them so they can return to society as law-abiding citizens. Correctional officers supervise inmates, while rehabilitation programs offer education, job training, and counseling. Effective corrections can reduce repeat offenses and help build safer communities. Criminal justice process begins with the investigation of a crime and ends with the release and reintegration of an offender. It includes several steps: investigation, arrest, prosecution, trial, sentencing, and corrections. Each step is designed to ensure fairness and protect the rights of everyone involved. The process can be complex, but it's essential for maintaining trust in the system and ensuring that justice is served. One of the most important aspects of criminal justice is protecting the rights of the accused. These rights include the right to remain silent, the right to an attorney, and the right to a fair trial. These protections are designed to prevent wrongful convictions and ensure that everyone is treated equally under the law. Upholding these rights is essential for maintaining public trust and the integrity of the justice system. Victims of crime also have important rights within the criminal justice system. These include the right to be informed, the right to be heard, and the right to receive protection. Victim advocates help guide victims through the process, ensuring their voices are heard and their needs are met. Supporting victims is a key part of achieving justice and helping communities heal after crime. Juvenile justice system handles cases involving minors who are accused of breaking the law. This system is different from the adult system, focusing more on rehabilitation than punishment. Juvenile courts aim to help young offenders learn from their mistakes and avoid future criminal behavior. Special programs and interventions are designed to address the unique needs of young people and give them a second chance. Community policing is an approach that encourages police officers to build relationships with the communities they serve. By working together, police and community members can prevent crime, solve problems, and improve trust. Community policing involves outreach, education, and collaboration, making law enforcement more responsive to the needs of the people. This approach helps create safer, more connected neighborhoods. Technology plays a growing role in criminal justice. From forensic science to digital databases, new tools help law enforcement solve crimes more efficiently. Surveillance cameras, DNA analysis, and computer systems make investigations faster and more accurate. Technology also helps courts manage cases and corrections track offenders. While technology brings many benefits, it also raises questions about privacy and fairness. Criminal justice system faces many challenges, including overcrowded prisons, lengthy court processes, and concerns about fairness. Issues like racial bias, wrongful convictions, and unequal access to legal representation can undermine trust in the system. Addressing these challenges requires ongoing reform, transparency, and a commitment to justice for all. By understanding these issues, we can work toward a more effective and equitable system. Reform efforts aim to improve the criminal justice system by making it more fair, efficient, and humane. Innovations include alternatives to incarceration, restorative justice programs, and better support for victims and offenders. These changes seek to reduce crime, lower costs, and help people rebuild their lives. Reform is an ongoing process that requires input from communities, lawmakers, and justice professionals. Criminal justice systems vary around the world, reflecting different cultures, laws, and values. Some countries focus more on rehabilitation while others emphasize punishment. International cooperation is important for fighting crimes that cross borders, such as human trafficking and cybercrime. By learning from other countries, we can find new ways to improve our own system and promote justice globally. The future of criminal justice will be shaped by new challenges and opportunities. Advances in technology, changing social attitudes, and ongoing reform efforts will continue to influence the system. By focusing on fairness, transparency, and innovation, we can build a criminal justice system that better serves everyone. Understanding the basics of criminal justice is the first step toward making positive change in our communities.